Good morning, intermediates. It's Jen Massey, and welcome back. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Today is Monday, marvelous Monday, March 30, 2020. Let's get started with our workbooks for Monday. Now remember, we always talked about the front page. So here, your grown-up will take a highlighter and they will highlight your name. Then you will trace your name with your pencil. Now remember to use Birdie's beak. Your hand will look just like this when you start holding the pencil. And don't forget your color codes. Right there. Now let's go on to page 1. Page 1 has the shape of a circle, which also looks like an O, which also looks like an egg. So, here we have tracing. Take your pencil and trace around the dotted lines. These are actually pictures of olives, and I know a lot of you bring those for snack. So if you want, color the olives B, L for black, or G for green. Let's go to page 2. Page 2 is a number page. We're talking about the number 5. Down, around, over the top to make the number 5. The first row, we see snails. You're going to count 5 snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then color the 5 snails. The next row has 5 birds. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and color the 5 birds. Then at the bottom, we have 5 butterflies. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and color only 5 butterflies. Don't be tricked because there are more than 5 at the bottom. And finally, at the bottom is the last question. What number comes after 5? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 6. You guessed it. So in that square box right here, write the number 6. Let's move on to the next page. Here we have matching numbers and objects. The numbers on one side are 0, which means nothing. So make sure you draw a line from the 0 to the box with nothing in it. Then you have 1, match it to the box with 1 picture in it. Then 2, the box that has 2 things in it. Then number 3, go to the box with 3 flies in it. That was a clue. Then number 4, let's look for the box that has 4 bumblebees. You're right, you're so smart. And then finally, number 5 at the bottom, match it up to the box with 5 beetle bugs. Great job. Let's get ready for the next page. This page is the letter O. You guessed it. O is for olive. O is for octopus. Now, you're going to take your pencil and trace the letter O on the page. That's an easy peasy one for you guys because you're so smart. Good job. Let's go to the next page. Here we have count the ladybugs. The ladybugs are in each leaf. Now the first leaf, we have to find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to find the number 7 on the bottom. We have 6, 7, 8. That's right, number 7 is right there. Let's circle it. Now we move to the next leaf. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. A 10 is a 1 and a 0. Let's find that on the bottom. 6, 9, 10. Great job. Now you circle it. Now on the other leaf, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are so good at counting. You've been practicing. Let's find the 9 on the bottom. 9. Oh, it came up right away. Circle it. Then finally the last leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is great. Let's find the 8. 10, 8. There it is. Give it a circle. Good job. Let's get ready to go to the next page, intermediates. This page has a lot of pictures on it. The first row at the top has the number 1. That means you're only going to color 1 of the goggles. The next line has the number 6. Only color 6 sailboats. The next line has 4. Only color 4 fishes. If you need more time, you can press the pause button. But Jen Massey will keep talking to you about the page. The next line is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sand dollars. Next row is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Color the 5 watermelons. The next row is the number 2. You guys remembered your numbers. Let's count 2 whales. 1, 2, and color 2 whales. The next row is, that's right, 7. You're going to color 7 umbrellas. Umbrellas is our theme today. We will talk about that soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent job. Then we go to 8. You will color 8 shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have the row with what number? That's right, 3. You're going to color 3 of the pail and shovels. And then the last line is 9. You're going to color 9 of the stars. You did a great job, intermediates. If you need more time, just hit pause, and then I'll see you when you're done. Now, let's go over to our calendar. We talked about it being Marvelous Monday, and it is Monday, March 2020, March 30. Let's sing the Days of the Week song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sunday, Monday, happy day. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy day. Thursday, Friday, happy day. Saturday is soccer day. Don't come to school. And you didn't, because it was closed. And the weather today on Monday, March 30, 2020, is sunny. There was a little bit of clouds, but I don't think it's going to rain. Now, here is how we spell Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. On a day like today, we still need to wear our shirt. We still need to wear long pants. And sneakers are the best choice for our feet. And make sure you have some type of jacket on top. Or a sweatshirt would be good. All right, are you ready to say the alphabet with Jen Massey? Let's go over to our alphabet window. Let's say the alphabet. Ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Let's move over to the next window. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job. Now, today's letter of the day is only going to be one letter. So make sure you practice this one letter all day. Can you guess which letter? A. And A, remember the song for A? Up, down, across is A. So that is what A looks like. It goes all the way up, all the way down, and across. Let's sing that again. Up, down, across is A. Now, let's look at our letters on the easel. Here we have A. You will see letters all over. It's on your shoes, it's at your home, it's on the roads. They're all different sizes, but up, down, across is still A, no matter where you see it. Now, let's introduce lowercase a. It is still an A, but it looks different from up, down, across is A, big A, little a. Great job. Let's talk about things that begin with the letter A. A makes the sound a, eh. We have an apple, a. Apple, a. That begins with A. Another thing we have is airplane. Airplane begins with A. Airplane, apple. Then there's one more thing that begins with A. Angle. We talked about angles on shapes. Here is a shape. It looks like a triangle. Great job. How many angles are on here? Angle is where the points are. 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle. So A makes the sound a, and A. Great job. Now, let's get ready to count. Are you ready? Come on over to our number window. Here we go. Let's say it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You did an awesome job counting. Today's letter is 8. Around the gate, around the gate. That's how you make an 8. Let's try that again. Around the gate, around the gate. That's how you make an 8. Now you say it. Around the gate, around the gate. That's how you make an 8. Great job. And if you look at 8, you see 2 circles. One on top, one on the bottom. 2 circles. One on top, one on the bottom. Now, let's count 8 things. Let me go get my special counting objects. You can hit pause while I get it. All right, here we go. We have 8 things to count. 1, 2, 3. Did you catch it? 4. Catch it. 5, 6, 7. It's coming to you. And 8. Great job. When you're at home, I want you to hit pause and look around and count 8 things. Jen Massey counted 8 balls. Now let me show you something else. Stay right there. Hello. Here is our dress-up hook. There are 8 hooks on here. Can you count them with me? Let's try it. I'll wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent job. You counted them. Now let's count one more time with something different. Make sure you hit pause if you need to and find 8 things to count in your home. I'll wait for you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job. You were so good at counting 8 things. Okay, now let's get ready to play the name game. Here we go. Let's clap our hands. The name game, the name game. Let's play the name game, the name game, the name game. Let's all play. Let me see who is with me today on Monday. We have Alexander, Easton, Michael, Olivia, Luke, James, Samantha, Catherine, Lexington, Alex, Charlotte, Connor, Zoe, Melania, Nora, Stella, Sophia, Xander, Carter, and Michael. I'm so glad you all came here to play the name game today. Find your name. Excellent. Now let's look over at the shapes wall. Today's shapes are circle and square. Take a look at circle. There's something that is not there. That's right, angles and points. There are none in a circle. It just goes round like a ball. Great. Trace it with your finger. Good job. Let's go over to square. And there it is. Square has how many points? That's right, 4 points. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 points. Can you trace it with your finger? Great. You did a great job. Now we're going to talk about umbrellas. It is rainy weather now, so we will need an umbrella soon. Now, umbrellas come in all different shapes, all different sizes, all different colors, and they work very differently. But rule number 1, you must have your grown-up with you if you're going to use an umbrella. You don't want to get hurt. You don't want your finger to get pinched. Let's take a look at the first umbrella Jen Massey has. This one is nice. It looks like it's blue. And I see superheroes on it. Spider-Man, Captain America, Flash, Hulk. Umbrellas have lots of things on them. That's called the handle. This part right here, it's a string. You must be very careful with it because you don't want to get twisted in here. But it's used to put your hand through. Let's see if I can get mine through. There it is. So, if you don't want to hold the umbrella with your hand, the string lets you hang it in case you drop it by accident from your hand. Now, I'll take my hand out. The other thing on the umbrella are these little blobby balls. Those are safe because you can't poke your finger on them. They're round, just like what shape? That's right, circle. So these show you that this umbrella is safe for a child. Let's open up the umbrella. I'll hold the handle and turn it around. Now remember, you should only be outside when you open an umbrella, but Jen Massey is in a safe place, no one's around me, and I will not hurt myself or anybody if I open it. So I'll hold the handle here, and I'll reach inside under the flap. There is a white plastic piece. I'm going to take my other hand on it and push it up. Slowly, and there it goes till it clicks. Let's listen for it. That means it's safe to let go. Look at that. The umbrella on the inside, and here is what it looks like on the outside. All the cool pictures of the superheroes that you know. This is a nice umbrella. Now to close the umbrella, we touch that white piece again that we pushed up to open it. But instead of going up, what is the opposite of up? That's right, down. Let's pull it down. And now it's closed. Let's take a look at another umbrella. This one has a different handle. It looks like a candy cane. This handle does not have a string to put around your wrist, but you can hold it like this, or you can hang it on something. Now let's try to open it up. We'll hold the handle and we look for that little white plastic piece again. And let's push it up. And it popped open. Great job. Here's the outside of it. Umbrellas are supposed to be above your head to keep you dry when it rains. Now, how do we close it? What is the opposite of up? That's right, down. So let's take that piece again and pull it down. And there it is. It's closed. There's one more type that I want to show you. And your mom or dad might use it. It's called automatic. And with an automatic umbrella, you do not have to push anything up or pull anything down. We'll open the strap. Now, grown-ups should only use these umbrellas, but I want you to learn about them. A grown-up will hold the umbrella far away, and there's an arrow button. The arrow is also a triangle shape. The point points up. So when I push it, take a guess what will happen. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It opened by itself. Jen Massey did not push any plastic piece up. And here's the outside. Guess what color it is? That's right. It's blue for our blue group. So now we're going to close it. Now with this kind, I do have to pull it only down. And that's it. So those are 3 different umbrellas and how umbrellas work. And remember, you must be safe. Do not open an umbrella in your home and never open an umbrella next to someone. A grown-up needs to help you. So now you're going to hit stop, and I will see you for our next activity, which is story time. I'll see you in a bit.